Today we are going to study EVN brand. So this is a French brand and it is owned by Danone Group. It entered in the US, the United States of America in 1978, and the main product which they have is mineral water. EVN is one of the most famous mineral water brand owned by French food product company called Danone. Each year, approximately 1.5 billion bottles are sold in more than 140 countries across the world. So, how much is 1.5 billion bottles is 1,500 millions. That is 150 crore bottles. 150 crore bottles they are selling every uh, every year. So in a month you can say 10 crores sorry 150 crore divided by 10, 15 crore, like yes, 15 crores they are selling in a year globally. Brand profile, it has 1.5 billion mineral bottle they are selling, that we have studied. It is selling across 140 countries, that is also we have studied. Brand value is 1,027 million US dollar, that is 1 billion US dollar brand value, which is very big amount. And Danone Group is the parent company. The products are available in 1.5 liter, 1 liter, 750 ml, 500 ml, and 330 ml. On special occasion, they are also providing services to hotel, restaurants, and clubs. That 750 ml and 330 ml, they are the most preferred products at the time of special occasion. And for this facial spray, they have 300 ml, 150 ml, and 50 ml uh, packet bottles. According to the market research company Millward Brown, an EVN brand can be ev- uh, according to the market research company Millward Brown, EVN brand can be valued at $1 billion. So that we have studied that its brand value is $1 billion, and this research was done by the firm or the company Millward Brown. The success of the brand is a result of the continuous innovation and powerful and original communication. So product is also good, and the advertisement marketing campaigns are also good. At the end of the 19th century, even water which was sourced from the natural spring became known for its miraculous healing properties and was being sold in pharmacies. So there is a place uh, in France, and yeah, that place is in a mountain, and from there they are getting this water, and they believe that at this place there is some miraculous water they have found, and they are selling this product uh, to the pharmacies because it has got very good healing uh, properties of this particular water. So that is also used in the medicines. This water is also used in the medicine. By mid 1930s, EVN has recommended as the perfect water for babies. So, as we said, it has got some very good pharmaceutical properties. So, it is also given to the babies for fast growth, or uh, to for them as a medicine for some of the diseases. Campaigns designed to target mothers, midwives, and doctors were developed consequently. So, as in initial days, it was believed that it has got miraculous healing properties. That's why they were focusing on providing this water to the babies, and for that, they were advertising this product to the moms, to the housewives, and to the doctors, so that they can have a good word of mouth of publicity to the other people, and because of good of word of mouth publicity, people start purchasing this product. In 1950s, EVN was still catering to the segment, but its communication added a new reference to health, and the theme of the Alps was introduced. In 1950s, the EVN was still catering to this segment, but its communication added a new reference to health, and the theme of the Alps was introduced. So initially it was marketed as having some miraculous healing properties. Then it was sold to the sold for best for the children or best for the babies, and now they started selling this product under the marketing campaign, under the focusing on the health properties, health benefits, and on they started using the theme Alps, that is mountains. They have brought this product or the water from the mountains, and it is not the like tap water is processed and they have given to you. It's not like that. In 1980s, the brand decided to go in a different direction, and the concept of equilibrium, the force of the balance, was dropped. So earlier they were having equilibrium as a theme for the marketing campaign, but again they started uh, using different marketing campaigns. The theme of the purity was chosen to differentiate the brand from the competitors and enable high-end positioning of the product. So there were many competitors, especially in the mineral water segment, to differentiate Evian from the other brands. They started focusing on the purity theme. The company adopted new slogan to reflect this change. The water you drink is as important as the air you breathe. So we know that air is very important for us, and if you don't get oxygen you will die. So similarly, if you don't get good mineral water or good water, you will also fall sick. That is the message they want to give. In 1998, Evian is associated with the advertiser Bet Paris launched the hugely successful ad campaign Water Babies that had babies swimming in synchronicity, a metaphor through which the brand evoked the youth. So now, here onwards, they started focusing on youth, and they were saying that if you want to remain youth, then you have to drink this water, because when you will drink this water, the child which is there in you will start appearing, or you will start feeling like a you are a baby, or you will you will remember those memories. In France, the approval rating for this ad was 94% and the recognition score was 91%. So because of the good marketing campaign, the recognition and brand awareness increased. This campaign of Evian made the brand evoke youth that had through babies swimming in the synchronicity. This ad was the instant hit and spawned a 254 million views. It currently holds the record of the most number of views on the YouTube. It also holds the Guinness World Record in this category. So you can see on the screen on the slide that uh, in this way they were advertising. Like you have your photo, and beside that you start imagining how you were looking like when you were a child. So after drinking this water, you can see your childhood, like that. They were advertising. This television commercial had a very strong impact on the collective consciousness of the people. So people started getting attention. People started remembering, recalling, recognizing, chit-chatting, discussing, communicating this marketing campaign. Globally, the brand focus on purity, and I use the slogan the original. The press advertisement portrayed, for example, a beautiful black angel lying on a white cloud who brought down rain with the bottle of Evian, or a mermaid quenching her thirst with Evian water. Despite the differences in the product positioning based on the markets, the brand has always been conscious of its upscale image. Despite the differences in product positioning based on the markets, the brand has always been conscious of upscale image. So as this is a premium brand, as this is a luxurious brand, and it is priced in premium category, it's priced high. That's why they started positioning this brand as a class brand, as a premium brand, as a luxury brand. The economic crisis of 2007-9 had a negative effect on the market for mineral water. So whenever there is a recession, whenever there is a slowdown of market, then you will find that luxurious products are affected the most. Luxurious products are the least purchased because people don't have money. People fear, there is a fear, and people don't want to spend extra. Sales dropped as more and more consumers turned to less expensive water. So those who were using EVN brand, they started using some other brand which is less price. No money, no now what to do. So that was the problem people were facing during 2007, 2008, and 2009. Consumers turns to less expensive water. Brand needs a reconstruction. During this time, the brand went through a restructure to keep from losing its market share. So whenever your market share decreases, you have to come up with the good marketing campaign. As a result, EVN has a premium and popular positioning in France, Switzerland, UK, Belgium, while it is luxurious brand in almost all the other countries. So in developing countries, in some other Asian countries, Middle East countries, the brand was luxury brand, but in European countries like France, Switzerland, UK, Belgium, it was a premium brand. This is due to the fact that in Europe the brand is sold in every supermarket, whereas in many other countries across the world the brand is sold only in urban centers. EVN generates 50% of the sales outside France. So why they differentiate as a luxury brand and why they differentiate it in some markets as a premium brand? Because to sell more number of units in European market, they started selling this brand in supermarkets also. That's why they cannot say that this is a luxurious brand, because luxurious brand should be sold at exclusive stores, and they were selling this brand exclusively at developing countries or Asian countries or Middle East countries, and they were selling this brand in superstores in European countries. Slowly and gradually, it started expanding, it started diversifying, it started entering into different markets. Now, this was the French company, and now they started selling more than 50% of these sales started coming from the other markets. A bottle of EVN can reach three times the price of the regular soft drink. So this the premium price of the EVN was such a that it it is getting sold at three times more than regular soft drink. The brand caters to a very narrow urban market, and it therefore felt the need to unify its brand communication in favor of something more global. So when they started entering into different markets, there is a need to have a one global marketing campaign. It is in this regard that EVN and BTC Bet decided to pick up from where the Water Babies left off and launched the Roller Babies campaign. So after that, Water Babies campaign, when Water Babies were swimming in synchronic order, now they come up with the Roller Babies. These babies were skating on the road or skating around the market. Health and purity of the Alps were abandoned in favor of the single message "Live Young." So that initially they started using the theme of Alps, but now the theme was "Live Young." Live Young, another ad campaign, mirror dancing, reconnect with the your inner child. This advertisement was broadcast around the world and went on to become one of the most watched ads ever on the YouTube with the 254 million views and held the Guinness World Record in this category at one point. So this Roller Babies campaign was very sudden hit. It was watched by so many people because it was very unique. You can also watch this campaign on the YouTube, and you'll get the attention because nobody imagined that babies can also skate, babies can also dance on the street, and it was very entertaining. It was the advert of the year for the Time magazine. It was the advert of the year for the Time magazine, Wall Street Journal, and the Guardian. It was also 20% most effective ad ever. France, Belgium, and German. So many newspapers they appreciated this advertisement campaign, and in many countries, this advertisement was appreciated and became very popular. In Asia, however, the consumers did not understand quite well the relationship between EVN as seen as a pinnacle of the luxury and the babies on rollers dancing to hip hop music. So, though the advertisement was good, though it was catchy, though eye catchy, though it was a very attractive ad, fascinating ad, and unique ad, very creative ad, but the logic was very minimum. Why babies were dancing by looking at the water bottle was beyond understanding, or there was no logic, no rationale behind that. But then had the idea of creating t-shirts with the images of the baby uh, bodies and launch a campaign showing people of all ages dressed in these teas. So next step was how to make this campaign, how to take this campaign ahead. So they started using, they started manufacturing t-shirts on which you will see dancing babies, and you can see on this slide that this type of t-shirt they started selling in the market. This events campaign main targets to make the brand market in Asia. This events campaign main targets to make brand markets in Asia. So this particular marketing campaign of T-shirt was specifically made to enter into the Asian uh, countries. Evian launched the T-shirt with the images of the baby bodies, and this campaign got huge success globally and created Evian's brand awareness. With this, the advertisers wanted to represent their brand as one that keeps adults young at heart. So, because of this advertisement campaign, people started thinking that the theme is, behind this marketing campaign, the message was be young, be like a child at your heart. The t-shirts were a huge success globally and created the desired brand awareness. So because of this t-shirt became very popular, and it gave very good brand awareness to this brand. In 2013, the EVN launched Baby and Me, its third major campaign with Bet BTC since 1998. This commercial used a baby and adult mirror dancing concept to highlight their Leave Young slogan. So, for many years, they were focusing on, they were working on this Leave Young campaign, and somewhere initially they started with the swimming, then they started with the skating, role using uh, skating board. Then this baby started dancing, then they used mirror so that to show uh, the babies, and the message was live young. Like soft drinks, they are also always targeting teenagers and the youth. This brand also started focusing on the youth. The idea behind the video was to allow the consumers to reconnect with their inner child in line with the brand promise. Since 2009, the EVN's global brand communication strategy has been focused on the global digital and traditional media. With the web, EVN can target precisely and reach masses easily, and is one of the top brands viewed online. So, like more popular, more successful brands, this EVN brand also started using the internet, the social media, and high technology uh, uh, gadgets to connect with the customers. The brand has also always cultivated a strong presence outside the internet. So apart from the online, the offline advertisement were also there, was also there. Since 2007, it has carried out several promotional operations with limited editions glass bottles signed by the major designers such as Paul Smith in 2009, EC Miyake in 2010, Kenzo in 2014. So under the limited editions, they people used to get signature of very popular designers. So in 2009, they come up with a bottle, which you can see at the second number from the right hand side, and it was unique bottle which they introduced, and it was signed by Paul Smith. In 2010, they come up again with the new model of the bottle, and it was signed by EC. And in 2014, there was different kind of bottle which was signed by Kenzo. So limited edition glass bottles signed by the major designers such as Paul Smith, EC, Mikey, and Kenzo were introduced. EVN has also been credited with the creating the first women's golf open championship. So there was only men's golf open championship. So EVN started women's first golf open championship. Today it is considered as to be one of the major tournaments in Europe and is broadcast live on the television in 167 countries. So when EVN started women's first golf open championship, now it has become very popular sports competition, and it is viewed, it is watched in 170 167 countries. Even is official water brand for the Wimbledon tennis tournament. The brand is also sponsor for the Paris fashion show. So this is the way they are sponsoring, and because uh, uh, the competition like Wimbledon, soccer, and the Paris fashion show, golf open championship, where rich people used to come, and there they wanted to showcase this brand. That's why, to gain the more brand awareness among the rich people, they were sponsoring the sports. So then there is some of the brand ambassadors were Maria Sharapova and Madison Keys. In addition to this, EVN supports a variety of causes linked to its brand territory. It is committed to the protection of the environment through creation of schools of water to help population manage their water resources in an autonomous and sustainable way. So, apart from the sports sponsorship, apart from using athlete, sports person as a brand ambassador, they are also sponsoring some uh, campaign which is there to protect the environment, to uh, to harvest the water, and to solve the social problem faced by the poor people in developing countries, poor countries. It has developed partnership with the Red Cross and offers fellowships in pediatrics, thereby affirming its positioning on the health and children. So they started developing partnership with the Red Cross and such organization. They started working for the children. They started working in the health sector. They started working in the water conservation, providing safe drinking water, like these social activities, sponsoring social activities. Now there are questions. EVN is a global mineral water brand that is sold to millions of the people across the world. Analyze the reasons for its success. So EVN was very good brand. They were having very good product, and they were started selling that brand to rich people, to the class people, and they were having very successful marketing campaign. They started with the marketing campaign as this water has miraculous properties of healing. They started their focus on providing this water to the babies. Then they started focusing on the doctors, housewives, and the moms, so that they can recommend this product to the others. Then they started sponsoring the sports. They hired the successful sports people. They started sponsoring the sports competition like uh, Wimbledon, like golf championship. They also started first women's golf championship, and they also started sponsoring some of the major events in the world like uh, Paris fashion show. They also started sponsoring social events, social activities like uh, providing safe drinking water, working in the health programs, healthcare programs to some of the countries. So in this way, they were very good at marketing campaigns. What will be the strategic evolution of the brand's communication? So in the future, they should come up with the more products. They should categorize their product. They should come up with the they should segment their product. Basically, they should come up with the more innovative uh, products and innovative marketing campaign. There is not much we can do in this segment because the basic product is mineral water, and which cannot be uh, segmented for so much. You can have two to three different types of water as per the socio-economic classes of the people, but you cannot keep on segmenting this mineral water product into more categories, because there is a limit, because this is very basic product. Can any other mineral water brand ever take other EVN's market share? Yes, because the success of the Evian brand is only because of marketing campaign. So tomorrow, if HUL, Hindustan Unilever, Procter and Gamble, Nestle, and other Cadbury and other companies, this if they decide to enter into this market, then it is very easy for them to compete with the Evian, because they are also the good marketing campaign company, and they also have very good financial resources. They also have experience in advertising the products, in FMCG products, and definitely they will be a serious competitor to the EVN. So campaign of the EVN water, the water you drink is as important as your breath. A beautiful black angel was lying on a white cloud who brought down rain with the bottle of the Evian. That was the second marketing campaign. Then mermaid quenching her thirst with the Evian water. That was the third marketing campaign. Then they have also roller babies, water babies, live young, and baby and me. Such marketing campaign. So how Evian is advertising? Evian is advertising through the billboard, as you can see on the slide, on the public transport buses. They are advertising at public places. Then they are also advertising their products on the internet, on the Facebook, through the print media, then on the television commercials. A still from the EVN Spider-Man advertisement in 2014. So here, Spider-Man is watching in the mirror, and he can see the junior or the baby Spider-Man. Then brand message was live young, that we have discussed. So they were very good at social marketing campaign. So you can see they got 32 lakhs, 3.2 million views, then 55 lakhs impression, 2 lakhs clicks, click rate is 6%, 2 lakh 12,000 share, and engage rate was 12.75% for their babies campaign. That baby and me campaign was shared by people 2 lakh and 12 to 2 lakh 12,000 people. On Facebook, it has got 41 likes, and engagement rate was 12%. EVN has presence on the Facebook. It has got 10 lakhs shares, 11 lakhs likes, 2 lakhs to 2 to 3 lakhs comment, 2 lakh 89,000 comments, and total interaction was 24 lakh 12,000. EVN is also present on the Twitter. You can see on the slide statistics. It has got 6 crore 2 lakh followers. On YouTube also, it has received very good response. More than 50 million, that is 5 crore views. Then 1 crore 68 1 lakh 68,000 likes on the YouTube. 5 crore views, 1 lakh 68,000, that is 2 lakhs, almost 2 lakhs likes, and 13,000 comments. That was YouTube's most popular branded video in May 2013, the only branded video in the video top 10 videos. And the new marketing campaign is don't just drink, even eat. So when we search something, we say Google it. Like that's why we say thanda matlab Coca Cola. Then that's why we are saying here don't just drink, even it. And the T-shirt campaign which we were discussing, this EVN's marketing campaign targeted to the Asia, and EVN launched the T-shirt with the images of the baby bodies, and this campaign got huge success globally and created EVN's brand's awareness. So while advertising, what EVN is taking into consideration, the factors which EVN is taking into consideration are target market. Who is our target market? The youth, teenagers, and adult people are their target markets. Then they are understanding their crowd psychology. Then they are understanding the area in which they are advertising. They are understanding the culture in which they are advertising. Marketing strategy is premium brand, luxurious brand, and they are selling the brand to the rich people, and they are selling this brand through the exclusive store, or the in some countries they are selling it in the super stores. In this, they are also sponsoring sports. Some of the sports they are also sponsoring the fashion shows, and they are also sponsoring some NGOs like Red Cross. So this is all about EVN. So I hope you have understood this case study. Thank you so much.